He'll just like sometimes he'll like play with your fingers between his paws. You're okay. Here. This one. This head.
Now how old is he?
He's about 3-4 weeks. 5 weeks? I think he's closer to 4. Isn't he closer? Good. Good capers. Get it. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I'm getting honored for sure. Get your toe.
He's so buoyant that he has a hard time staying on his stomach right now, doesn't he?
Where are you going, Capers?
Are you leaving?
No, just okay. Like Taz, huh?
Yeah. No biting.
Thank you.
Chow, you little hedgehog.
Come here.
Iris calls him a glorified muskrat.
Well, he's a weasel in water. That's exactly what he is. What are you doing?
But you just pretty much rub him and a lot of the water comes off. It's just...
Oh, look at you. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna move inside. Yeah, you wanna come inside and groom for me? Good job, Capers! Look at you! Good boy.
Square centimeter or square inch. So like if you part their hair, you can't see. And if he goes too fast, it'll come out his nose. Good, Capers. You wanna hold it yourself?